Hello, my name is Susanna Kass. Welcome to Datacloud Global Congress in Cannes. It is absolutely my distinct pleasure to have Carlo Ruiz with us today from NVIDIA. He is our Vice President of Enterprise Solutions and Operations for NVIDIA and much more. Frankly, I believe he's the Chief Transformation Officer for our industry for engineering many of the young talent. Carlo, welcome.
Well, thank you so much, Susanna, and what an intro. That's great.
It is indeed true that you have been an igniting force to inspire so many young talent from all sorts of the industry into this conference and the industry. So how did you do it?
Yeah, well, I think AI is a disruptive force, and it will disrupt each and every segment. So it is a great toolkit, and I think for the young generation that is around, well, we have never seen a generation that has all of this technology available to apply to some of the biggest challenges that we see in the world, from climate change to healthcare, how governments can work with their citizens. So, yeah, I think AI is there. It's disruptive, and now it's just becoming this fantastic tool that people can use to do their life's work, Susanna.
Indeed, indeed. And actually, I do want to also thank JSA and the entire team. It is absolutely a delight every time I actually meet any of the individual there. Recently, actually, they launched on Earth Day the Greener Data Volume 3, and the hard work that they basically put in to put the entire industry together. No wonder on the first day they actually launched, it actually, Carlo, become the Amazon bestseller. So when I read the article, I said, wow, this really reminds me of how you actually engineer and build your organization since you have been with NVIDIA. And since then, you never stop and you continue to actually ignite the industry to bring in more talent into the AI era. So perhaps you can share with us, I know you're going to keynote here this week, very exciting in talking about how AI factory meet at scale infrastructure. Talk to us a little bit for the audience. How does the young talent going to get involved in this industry, and what advice would you give them?
Yeah, I think the AI opportunity is massive. And so if you just look at all the domains that exist in which we need to work together, where we need to develop ecosystems, there's so much opportunity. So think of the energy, the whole energy segment that needs to be developed, needs to be ready for this new type of computing. Then there's so much work being done on the chip level as well. In the past, people would think it takes us one chip, one accelerator to get things done. But today we prove with the AI factory is actually close orchestration of seven chips. Then we need, of course, the organizations that work on the infrastructure, the housing of all of this technology to bring it to market. Then each and every country also needs their own models to be brought in place. So we want to see more sovereign initiatives around the globe, where people use their own data, make their own models, truly in a sovereign fashion. And lastly, applications. It's all about what are we going to do with all of this. And we spoke about the big challenges that as humanity we face. We just think if we apply all of this to healthcare, to climate change, to drug discovery, to robotics with physical AI. So there is plenty of opportunity for those that want to engage in this environment. And so key advice would be as well, be knowledgeable about science, about how the world works, about robotics, and then take all of these tools and engage and develop.
Oh, wow, that's extremely exciting. So I would say, dear audience, stay tuned. Carlo is absolutely a Chief Transformation Officer for our industry, above and beyond actually his role in helping putting together the real AI model into production in EMEA. So I thank you for being with us today and share your few thoughts.
Well, thanks for having me, Susanna.
Thank you, Carlo.